Today I am presenting a pharmaceutics video making competition. The topic is Introduction to Dosage Forms. Subtopic Introduction to Solid Unit Dosage Forms other than tablet, classification and definitions. Presented by A.G. Amulya. Drug. What is drug? A chemical substance used in the treatment, cure, prevention or diagnosis of disease. Dosage form. Dosage forms are means by which drug molecules are delivered to sites of action within the body. Dosage form of drugs. Dosage forms are the means by which drug molecules APIs are delivered to sites of action within the body to produce optimum desired effects and minimum adverse effect. Need of dosage forms. Drug safety and benefit. Patient safety and benefit. In classification, route of administration, oral, powders, tablets, capsules, suspensions, solutions, emulsions, elixirs, syrups, magmas, catchets, gels, pills. In parenteral, solutions, suspensions, emulsions. Transdermal, ointments, powders, creams, lotions, pastes, plasters. Intraocular, solutions, suspensions, ointments. Sublingual, tablets, lozenges. Vaginal, suppositories, tablets, ointments, creams, touches. Conjunctival, ointments. Intrarespiratory, in these aerosols. Rectal, suppositories, enemas, ointments. Intranasal, solutions, sprays, inhalations. Urethral, suppositories are there. In physical form of classification, solids. In this solid, unit solid dosage form, bulk solid dosage form. Unit solid dosage form, tablet, capsules, pills. Bulk, external use, dusting powder, insufflations, dentifrice, snuff. Internal use, granules or effervescent granules, fine powders. In semi-solid, ointment, creams, gels, paste. Liquid, in liquid, monophasic liquid dosage form. In this internal use, syrups, linctus, drops, elixirs. External use, liniments, lotions, gargles, throat paints, mouthwashes, sprays, eye lotions, eye drops, nasal drops. Phasic liquid dosage forms, emulsions, suspensions, gaseous, inhaler and aerosols. Site of application of classification, skin. In this ointment, cream, lotion, liniment. In eye, solution, ointment, cream. In tooth, tooth powder, toothpaste. Hand, hand cream, lotion, hand wash. Foot, cream, ointment, dusting powder. In hair, hair cream, hair lotion, shampoo, hair fixing. Nasal, solution, spray, inhalation. Uses in internal, all preparations except external. In external, ointment, lotion, cream, powder, solution, liniment, paste, hair dyes, hair colorants. Inhaled dosage forms. In this classification, inhalation, lung and nose. In lung, gases, vapors, medical gases. Liquid, solution, suspension, emulsion. Aerosols, MDI. MDI means metered dose inhaler. DPI means drug powder inhaler, other pressure systems. In solids, drug powder inhaler. Nose, liquids. In liquid, solution, suspension, emulsion. Aerosols, MDI, metered dose inhaler. Semi-solids, gels. Solids, powders for inhalation. Solid dosage forms. There are two types of solid dosage forms, unit dosage form, bulk dosage form. In bulk dosage form, there is internal and external use. Unit dosage form. In these capsules are a solid dosage form in which the drug substance is enclosed in a water-soluble shell or an envelope made from gelatin, available both as hard and soft capsule. Example, amoxicillin, ampicillin, cenfalexin, etc. Powders. These are solid dosage form of medicament which are meant for internal and external, available in crystalline or amorphous. Pills. Pills are oral unit dosage form. These are small spherical or ovoid masses which are required to be made at the dispensing counter. Example, Istrostep, FES, etc. Bulk dosage form. External use. Dusting powders. These are meant for external application to the skin or generally applied in a very fine state of subdivision to avoid local irritation. Insufflations. These are medicated dusting powders meant for introduction into the body cavities such as nose, throat, ears and vagina. Dentifrices. Tooth powders. These are applied with the help of toothbrush for cleansing the surface of teeth. Snuffs. These are finely divided solid dosage forms of medicament which are inhaled into nostrils. Internal use. Granular powders. There are certain solid medicaments which are required to be administered orally in large doses. Effervescent granules. These are the specially prepared solid dosage form of medicament meant for internal use. Monophasic liquid dosage forms. Internal use mixer. A mixer is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which a medicament or medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Syrup. A syrup is a concentrated or nearly saturated solution of sucrose in purified water. The concentration of sugar is 66% weight by weight. Example, cane syrup, glucose syrup, etc. Elixirs. Elixirs are clear, sweetened, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquids intended for oral use. Example, aromatic elixirs, etc. Linctus. Linctus are viscous, liquid, and oral preparations that are generally prescribed for the relief of cough. Example, simple linctus, etc. External use. Application on the skin. Liniment. The liniments are liquid or semi-liquid preparations meant for application to the skin, applied to the skin with friction and rubbing of the skin. Example, white liniment, etc. Lotions. Lotions are liquid preparations meant for external application without friction into the skin. Example, CeraVe lotion. Used in mouth. Gargles. Gargles are aqueous solutions used to prevent or treat throat infections. Example, phenol, gargles, etc. Mouthwashes. These are aqueous solutions with a pleasant taste and odor used to make clean and deodorize the buccal cavity. Example, glycerin, etc. Throat paints. Throat paints are viscous liquid preparations used for mouth and throat infections. Example, boroglycerin, etc. Instilled into body cavities. Douches. A douche is a medicated solution meant for rinsing a body cavity. The word douche is often used for vaginal solutions. Example, alum isotonic sodium chloride solution. Ear drops. These are solutions of drops that are instilled into the ear with a dropper. Example, water, glycerin, propylene. Nasal drops. These are aqueous solutions of drops that are instilled into the nose with a dropper. Example, nisovizin, etc. Nasal sprays. Nasal sprays are used to reduce nasal congestion and to treat infections. Example, antibiotics and antihistamines. Biphasic liquid dosage form. Suspension. Suspensions are biphasic liquid dosage form of medicament in which the finely divided solid particles ranging from dispersed phase, whereas liquid vehicle acts as a continuous phase, generally taken by orally or parenteral route, used for external applications. Emulsions. Emulsion is a biphasic liquid preparations containing two immiscible liquids, one of which is dispersed as minute globules into the other. The liquid which is converted into minute globules is called the dispersed phase, and the liquid in which the globules are dispersed is called the continuous phase. Semi-solid dosage forms. Ointments. The ointments are semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. Example, petroleum jelly, waxes, etc. Creams. These are viscous semi-solid emulsions which are meant for external use. Example, lanolin, cold cream. Paste. Pastes are semi-solid preparations intended for external application to the skin. Example, zinc oxide paste. Jellies. Jellies are transparent or translucent, non-greasy semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. Example, gelatin, agar. Suppositories. Suppositories are semi-solid dosage form of medicament for insertion into body cavities other than mouth. Example, Dulcolax, hydrocortisone suppositories. Inhaled dosage forms. Inhaler are solutions, suspensions or emulsion of drugs in a mixture of inert propellants. Example, Ventolin, albuterol. Injection act of administering a liquid, especially a drug, into a person's body using a needle and syringe. At last, multiple choice questions. First one, identify the dosage form applied to skin with friction. Options, liniment, lotion, tablet, syrup. The answer is liniment. Second one, identify route of administration of intramuscular injection. The options is A. Oral, B. Topical, C. Parenteral, D. Inhalation. The answer is C. Parenteral. Finally, divided powder administered into body cavities. Options A. Effervescent, B. Face powder, C. Dentifrice, D. Insufflations. The answer is insufflations. Fourth one, identify the gaseous dosage form. Options A. Capsule, B. Lotion, C. Suspension, D. Inhalers. The option is inhaler. Thank you.